talking about my lifestyles that put me through. All of the niggas been watching me. I love in the gangster vision more inside Africa. But I didn't know this one God that movie star. The whole universe from super Java. But people didn't listen to God.
Young Sam,
when we go, then do take the show back. You don't want to buy that show to me, eh? So that we know if I go back. You never think she was the person she is. I wish that I didn't something about was a real one. All in the world, but I didn't see it. The cash we look on, but I didn't stars in the night. But you're beautiful like you, I didn't see it. We could take that shit and back for them. So you see, that's why I'm here to talk about the lifestyle. People talking shit, the children isn't real. That's a real